छोरी खाऊ न.
What is this behavior?
This is the proper way of eating idli sambar. It's not like you guys eating with spoon and all. See that? See that? Spoon से कोई idli sambar खाता है क्या? इसको राइस की तरह बनाना चाहिए और खाना चाहिए. That's how we learn. Yeah. And dosa also.
Master class from Avashish Oja.
Why are you so happy? She loves this one. बिस्तारै सँग है. Wow, Aizil, wow. Wow, that one. Ah. Wow, that's it. So it's the next day morning. We had our breakfast, and while Pavitra has got some work, we thought we'll come out and these people, they'll do something around the apartment itself. They've got many things to do, lots of activities. We just got it over and now we are on our way towards the room. It's hot now and I don't want to be outside. I'll be going towards Gokarna today, and I booked my stay there already, but I'm not gonna reach there today. Somewhere in the middle, we'll stay today. Rupesh, can you please start the vlog today? Well, can you start the vlog? Vlog, my vlog. No? Sunny, can you please start my vlog, sorry? या कम फैमिली के साथ इसी टाइम आ गया है तो फैमिली के साथ इसी टाइम आ गया है तो
टाइम लेकर आना है.
इससे ज्यादा टाइम कौन ले यार तुम मत आओ इसी भेजते हो Yes, little one. Bye bye.
Say bye. Isu, say bye. Mommy is here. Mommy is not going anywhere.
Mommy is gonna relax now for some time. ये मम्मी नहीं है.
Where's my shoes?
It's not a photo. It's a video. क्या हुआ? Yeah, sit.
Reach home safe?
Yeah, I'll give you a call, huh? Okay, yeah, sure. Bye, darling. चलो. घूम के परेशान हो चुका. We are not getting the exit. Oh, so from that side you came, yeah? I was just trying to explain. Oh. Bye bye, darling. चल अबू चल. Bye. अभी सो जा. के बनाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ चिया?
They are not assets also.
Safe journey. Okay. Enjoy.
They are not.
Okay.
They are
Safe
not
journey.
classified.
ल मिनादी ल बिना चाहिँ फोनमा हुनुहुन्छ एकछिन Hello. Uncle Jolie. How are you? Ritika, she is Ritika. That's the young guy there. This is Nitin. Hi Papa, hi Mama. Who's this? Who's this? Who's this? Okay. So it's a very brief moment. चल हम निकलते हैं. Hello folks, namaste and good afternoon, good evening. It's day 15, I don't know, day 14, 15 or 16. So we are on our way to where? That also we don't know.
Wherever the road takes.
Wherever the road takes. We are going towards Gokarna. We have got a booking there. Not for today, it's for tomorrow, but it's a 10 hours drive from here and we did not want to, we did not want to do it in a single stretch because it will be like reaching there in the evening and sitting there next day checking out. So what we are doing is half a way we are going, and right now there are a few big cities that we get. One is Tumkur that will just reach. After that Davangere, something like that. Wherever possible we'll stay there today. Let's see, we might reach Hangal also. My friend Anupama Kittur, it's her hometown, and her brother is there, so he has asked me to come till there, but I don't know, it's 6 hours drive from here. I might not drive that much, let's see. So right now I'm in Nice Road here. This road is called Nice Road. Just got away from bank. Around $50. I don't know what's the rate here. They haven't mentioned it here. Anyway, Priyadarshini, are you enjoying the drive or not?
Yes, but I'm asleep.
Please sleep.
No, I can't.
Why?
I don't want.
You don't want to? Then don't sleep. We have just crossed Tumkur now.
What?
Tumkur is the name of the place, Priyadarshini. Just checking the amount that I have been paying at the toll. We stopped here somewhere in the highway because Priyadarshini is not feeling well. She is having headache. So she was crying sometimes back. So we thought we'll stop here for some time. We did around 115 kilometers. Time is what? 7:19 p.m. now. We'll wait for some time. We'll stretch for some time and then we'll see if we need to stay here. Here she is. If we need to stay here, we'll try to find out a hotel. If she's not well, else we'll continue our journey. Hi Priyadarshini.
Again, this boy is vlogging.
This boy is vlogging? We did not stop here for anything, but suddenly Priyadarshini said she wants to have something. She is hungry and we are happy to know that. So we have ordered for dosha. Pavitra is not eating anything. I too am not eating anything.
Why are you saying dosha?
Then what?
Say dosa.
Dosha? Okay, dosha.
Dosha.
Okay, dosha. Thanks for correcting. Yeah, I have ordered for coffee. You don't need, right? Okay. Purohit Hotel.
Yes.
So we're gonna see if the hotel is okay in terms of whatever we require, our requirement. After that we'll see what to do.
I will.
So let's check out how the hotel is. It looks very expensive from the outside.
Today I got so many gifts, and I'll change my dress and I'll sleep.
So Hotel Purohit, we did 195.8 kilometers. We had started at around 5 from Bangalore, and the time is almost 9:30. Oh, Pavitra? 9:30 now. We thought we'll book a hotel here, but we usually get confused, when we see hotel written there. So hotel this side is only for food. We need to check. It is today a little less than 300 kilometers. Davangere city, I got this Anand Residency, and yes, I've got a parking here. And the time is what? 10:30 now. So 5 o'clock we had started from there. actually highway. Hitting the highway was 5 o'clock. We had started before that, but we are going to different places today. So yes, that's my car there. I have Pavitra and Priyadarshini. They are up there already. I'll just take my luggage and go now. This is the reception here. There's nobody here. 1500 bucks that I have paid and 100 rupees. They said that they'll return it to me tomorrow when I am checking out. So 1400 bucks for a room, which I'll soon show you. It's on the first floor and it's a non-AC room. We didn't require AC. So my darling is all getting ready to sleep. Good night, my love. She is really tired. Good night, Shorasli. Now we'll settle down.